Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have a little storage unboxing for you that I think is going to be really useful. So let's get inside. So first things first, this is made by a company called EcoStash but comes from Amazon. Comes in lots of colours. Obviously I picked the purple one. So yeah, let's get it out of this plastic and I'll talk to you a little bit more about why this is special. Oh, it feels nice. Oh yes, I like that a lot. The main sort of selling point for this, and the reason why I was so excited by it, is because although it is sturdy and tough, you can feel it's got a bit of texture there, it is not made of plastic. So that is really exciting to me. It is in fact made of wheat straw. So I know those of you who have watched my witch casket unboxings, and I've talked about how the packaging for that is all biodegradable, you will know that you know, planet care is something that I do think about a lot, and particularly I think when you are amassing a lot of things, because you've got a lot of hobbies, it's always worth thinking about, you know, what happens to these things, what impact are these things having on the planet. So in my own little way, this may be a game changer, because I've had these sort of concertina file storage units before made out of cardboard, and they do not stand up to rugged regular use. And you know, if I can choose something like this that is as sturdy as plastic but isn't, that would be lovely. So yeah, they're made from wheat straw. They come in the colours of lavender, which is this one, mint, blue, strawberry and wheat yellow. And yeah, I think it's going to be cool. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is the 12 one. I think they do a larger one as well. If we stretch this out, you can see you get a nice amount of space in there. And I do like the fact that it's sort of self-supporting, so I can have it out on my desk, I can root through, I can get what I need, and then smush it back up and sit it on a shelf. It does, as I've just noticed, in here it comes with some stickers. So we've got a little label for the front, and we've got months, and we've got some plain ones. So really nice there, and obviously we've got spaces here to stick our stickers. Yeah, I like that we've got these nice sturdy handles on the side as well. So even for carrying it around, if that was something you need to do, yeah, I like that. Now, as for what I'm going to use it for, I'm thinking that I'm going to use it for some of my sticker storage, because I have got a lot of this size of sticker book that doesn't have a hole in the top, and so when the pages fall out, there's no way to reattach them. So with something like this, I could organize these stickers by size or shape or color. That would be possible. Also, if I've got a book that's just falling apart, I can just pop it in and then it's kept safe and together. This is another book which has got several pages that are falling out. So again, this could be something where I could have a section for these clear stickers to live in. Or again, if I wanted to, in fact, I'm just looking at this, with the height such as it is, it would be possible to store sticker books this way. I wonder how many we could get in. Let's have a look. Just grabbing the ones that were close by. So we can't quite get 3 across, but we could have 2 in each one. Yeah, that could be an option as well. It will keep them all upright. It would mean that you could see what you were looking for. And as those of you that watched one of my more recent videos will know, I recently destroyed some sticker storage because I had overloaded it and it all fell apart. So yeah, so this might be an option. But I think this is definitely something to investigate. I love the neatness of this, the tidiness. Yeah, I think this definitely will have a place in my craft room. If you are someone that does a lot of the little cross-stitch kits, I could see you storing kits in here so that you could find the one that you wanted to work on, because they store quite flat. There's probably a number of other crafts that equally would store flat. I'm just going to see if a 30 by 40 diamond painting would fit in here. Do I have one to hand? Somewhat typically, I don't. I do have a 30 by 30. So let's have a look. So if we were going a 30 by 30, yeah, so not quite big enough for your 30 by 40s, but I do believe, yeah, this is A4 in size, so it would take pictures once they were cut down to A4 size. But yeah, plenty of room for when I'm not getting stuck on stickers that are already in there. Yeah, plenty of room. And yeah, I really like the amount of space that we're getting. I love the colour, and yeah, it feels really sturdy. So just thought I would share that with you, really. I will pop links down below for it on Amazon. It's not a what's the word? It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just a product link. But I do have a discount code for you as well. I will pop that on the screen now. It is 20 EcoStash UK. I will also link to EcoStash's socials as well, should you want to follow the company and find out what other eco products they have available. I know that I am going to be keeping an eye on what they've got coming up next, just because, you know, having lots of things that match and are eco-friendly, aesthetically pleasing and practical. Tick, tick, tick. Love it. So just a super quick one from me today. Let me know what you would do with a little A4 file folder like this. How would you use it? How would it fit in with your craft room? And what colour would you get? So let me know all of that down below, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay crafty!